Okay, so we're gonna do the wheel. This will be part one. So we'll just get that main revolve. I'm gonna start with a sketch on this front plane. Okay, now this sketch is going to rely on an axis. It doesn't really matter how long that is. And then the rest of this, and you can make this however you want, but you're basically gonna start chaining some lines around. And you can put the dimensions in now, you can put them in later, however you like to work. Sometimes when I'm teaching, I like to show you like the basic shape so you kind of see where I'm going. Then I go add dimensions. Okay, so I'm going to hold off on that semicircle until I get some of these dimensions in. So first thing I'm going to do, okay, is get this shape, and then I'm going to dimension this center. Okay, so we just need the radius of that center hole, which that center hole is 0.28. So I can do that in my head pretty easily. That's 0.14. Okay, because we're going to revolve this, so we only need half of that. And then I can start putting in a few of these other dimensions. So, for example, this crack right here is 0.25. Okay, I also know that to here is 0.75. And to there is 1. Okay, I also know that this whole thing is 0.25. And then this inner part is 0.125. Okay. Let's see, did I miss anything? I got that center. I got that, I got that, I got that. Looks pretty good. I'm going to add that arc. And I can go out till it snaps tangent. I could also type in that radius. For the sake of just making a clean drawing, I am going to make probably a cutout in here. Okay, so I'm going to use the trim tool. Okay, cut that out. And let's see, the fillets you can add now to make this round. You also could do those as 3D fillets, but if you wanted to do a sketch fillet, okay, you can just go over here and find sketch fillet. Okay, fillet. And these fillets, all of those rounds are 0.0625. Oops, grabbed my scissors. Fillet. Wheel. Where'd you go? .0625. There it is. Click, 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 click. Okay, cool. So once I revolve that, we're pretty good with that first part. So I'm going to go ahead and click revolve. Okay, we want a new. That's my profile. Click here for my axis. Grab that. Cool.